So, recently, Google's forthcoming Pixel 8a has been at the center of numerous leaks, creating substantial buzz among smartphone enthusiasts. Notably, a spec sheet for the device surfaced a few days ago, closely followed by another leak, contributing to the growing anticipation surrounding its release. Furthermore, there's speculation that Google may have inadvertently revealed the Pixel 8a in an advertisement for its carrier services in the US last week, adding to the excitement. Adding to the plethora of leaks, new images of the phone have emerged, offering a glimpse of both its front and back, showcasing what seems to be the obsidian color variant. These real-life images, shared by TechDroider, provide valuable insights into a distinct aspect of the Pixel 8a. Notably, the device boasts a matte plastic finish on the back, marking a departure from the glossy finish of its predecessor, the Pixel 7a. The rear shot reveals familiar elements, such as the camera module spanning the width of the frame, housing dual sensors and a circular LED flash array, minimal G branding, and little else. However, attention is drawn to the screen's bezels on the front, which appear relatively large, particularly the chin, considering the expected price range of the device. Nonetheless, Google is likely to receive praise for its software and camera performance, which may alleviate concerns about bezel size. While the bezels on the Pixel 8a may seem noticeable compared to some competitors in Europe and Asia, they are deemed acceptable when compared to its predecessor, the Pixel 7a. Furthermore, the Pixel 8a features rounded corners, distinguishing it from its predecessor's design. Alongside the obsidian color variant showcased in the images, the Pixel 8a is expected to be available in porcelain, which looks like white, and beige, which is like blue. In terms of specifications, it is anticipated to be powered by Google's Tensor G3 chipset, boasting a 6.1 inches 120Hz OLED display, storage options of 128 or 256 GB, a 64-megapixel main camera with OIS, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 13-megapixel selfie camera, and a 4500 mAh battery with support for 27 watts wired charging. As anticipation continues to build for the official launch of Pixel 8a, these leaks provide enthusiasts with an exciting preview of what Google has in store for its upcoming mid-range offering. With its blend of innovative features and refined design, the Pixel 8a aims to solidify Google's position in the competitive smartphone market, offering consumers a compelling alternative to other devices in its segment. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 8a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.